Hello everybody, my name is Ferenc Pető and I am the CTO of I4P Informatics. Today I will show you our brand new Trident HSM, which is a general purpose HSM product on the market. Let me unboxing this product. Our HSM is a newcomer on the market and it has a very unique differentiator. It's able to handle our cryptographic keys with the power of multi-party cryptography. I need some help to get it out. Okay. As you can see, this appliance is fully passive. On the front panel, there is an input for the power supplies. We can some sensors and a battery for the tamper detection, because this box has active tamper detection, so you cannot open it without different kind of zeroization processes. You have here a display, input, output, 3 Ethernet adapter, 2 USB, and an input-output adapter for the tamper detection module, a power button, and an LCD display as well. So HSM stands for Hardware Security Module, and you need an HSM when you have to deal with storing and using cryptographic keys. HSM can provide a safety environment for your cryptographic keys, and you can use your cryptographic keys without revealing it for other parties, and it will remain in this secure box. This box has active tamper detection, which can protect your keys against physical intrusions. And our product has a very unique differentiator on the market, because it has the power and it has the opportunity to deal with your keys and to use your keys with the power of multi-party cryptography. Secure multi-party computation is not a new thing. It's a math study, and it's from the 1960s. With the power of multi-party computation, we can store your keys, we can generate your keys in a truly secure manner. The whole key will never be in one place. It will be distributed in different appliances. For example, when you have 3 appliances, and you would like to have multi-party computation to generate your keys, the whole key will never assembled. You can generate the keys, and the key parts will never be in one place. And when it comes to the key usage, you can use any of the devices, any of the appliances, and during the key usage, the whole key will never assembled. But the result is a standard, for example, in case of RSA, it's a PKCS1 format signature. For more information, you can visit our website www.i4p.com, or you can contact our regional distributor, Real Security.